Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can take a photo in Once Human. To take photo in Once Human is super easy. First of all, launch open the Once Human game on your device, whichever device you're using. And from the main game section, go to the top right corner and tap the three dots. From the menu that pops up on the screen, select Camera. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see this camera pop up on the screen. Go ahead and select your angle from the screen by moving it right or left and find the perfect angle for your photo. You can also zoom in and zoom out your screen by tapping on the slider at the bottom and dragging it left or right. Find the best angle for your photo shoot, and then to take the picture, tap on the camera on the left corner. Soon after you do that, you will be able to take a photo in Once Human. You can now go ahead and choose to include watermark or player info in your photo, or choose to remove them as well. You can also save the photo in your album by tapping on Save to Album. This will be saved to your Once Human photo album, and if you want to download the photo, then you can also tap on the download button and your photo will be downloaded in your device's camera roll. So that way you will be able to take a photo in Once Human. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.